Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here back with another video. So we recently got our hands on the Edifier ES850NB headphones. And for this one, I just want to do a quick unboxing so you guys have an idea of what you're getting if you ever decide to go for the ES850NB headphones. With that said, let's get started. Alright, so unboxing the ES850NB headphones, you do get the headphones themselves, although Edifier does include a travel case with the bundle, which is a nice addition. And aside from this, you do get a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging, as well as some paperwork including your user manual and some safety information. Unfortunately, we don't get a 3.5mm headphone jack with this one, as the headphones don't really support 3.5mm audio. So in terms of design, the 850NB headphones do look like the other products under the Edifier ES series. So you do get that leather-like texture on the exterior of the ear cups. And the headphones do come in 4 different colors with brown, white, and pink. And obviously we do have the black version here. And yeah, they are pretty lightweight overall. I do think that the somewhat squared circle design is a great look for the headphones, as it does provide a nice bit of variety, at least in terms of looks. They only weigh about 265 grams, so they'll be mostly comfortable for long listening sessions. Now as for the specs, when it comes to audio, they do come with 40mm drivers, and Edifier says that these use titanium coated composite diaphragms, and there's also support for LDAC and SBC codecs. And of course, you do get active noise cancelling, which according to Edifier can block out up to 45 decibels of noise. In addition to ANC, the headphones do support a music mode with preset EQ options and customizable sound profiles. There's also a spatial sound setting, so you do get a more immersive listening experience. And of course, there is a built-in gaming mode, which does reduce latency if you're ever using the headphones while gaming, which are nice options to have, especially with budget headphones like these. They also come with multi-point connection, so you can switch between 2 different Bluetooth devices effortlessly when using the headphones. Additionally, you can download the Edifier Connects app on your smartphone, so you can further tweak the EQ settings on the headphones, switch between the different sound effects, and a whole lot more. Now as for controls, you do get a set of buttons on one of the ear cups, which includes your volume buttons, power button, a dedicated Bluetooth button. As for battery, the headphones can last for up to 92 hours without using active noise cancelling, so that's pretty impressive. Now if you're going to use them with the ANC, it does go down to around 53 hours, but honestly it's still a long time. And they also support fast charging, so with a quick 15-minute charge you can use the headphones for up to 11 hours with ANC off and around 7 hours with ANC on. So yeah, that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you think about the Edifier ES850NB headphones. Are you guys gonna get one of these, or do you already have it with you? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.